Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a trabajar en Buenos Modales. Today we're going to work with good manners. Something we did at the beginning of the year again. So we're reviewing some of the things that we've done in the past to get you ready for tercer grado, third grade. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so excited for you guys. All right, so vamos a empezar con lo básico. Los saludos. We're going to start with the basics, the greetings, because that's part of good manners, buenos modales. And you guys know, hola, which is hello. Buenos días, which is good morning. Buenas tardes, which is good afternoon. Y buenas noches, which is good evening and good night. Good evening because in Spanish we say buenas noches when we see somebody in the evening, at nighttime. That's how we say hello. And then we use the same two words, buenas noches, when we saying goodbye. All right, so it goes both ways. So buenas noches is good evening and good night. So let me repeat it for you guys. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, en buenas noches. Muy bien. Ahora continuemos. Aquí tenemos otras formas de buenos modales. Here we have other ways of being, showing good manners. Okay? Being what we call educated, Por favor. Por favor is please, and we use that, remember, when we ask for something. When we ask for a favor or when we ask for a book or a pencil, that's when we use por favor. And of course, if somebody does that for us, we have to say gracias. Gracias means thank you, okay? And it's just being grateful if, they did it for you. Now, if you are really grateful, I want you to notice that if you are really grateful, then you will say muchas gracias. You say muchas gracias. Okay, and that means thank you very much. All right, thank you very much. And it's a way of saying that you are really thankful for what just happened. Okay, then the other person, if they speak Spanish, chances are they will say de nada, which means you're welcome, and it also means it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, it's oops, sorry about that. It's nothing. All right, and meaning it's nothing because nada, the word nada, really means nothing. Okay, so that's the reason it can also mean, we could use that. Oh, it's for nothing, or it's nothing, but usually truly means you're welcome. All right. Now, of course, if something happens, let's say that you bumped into something, or maybe you broke something, you could say disculpe, which really is like saying I'm sorry. All right, disculpe. And last but not least, permiso, which we use for to say excuse me. For example, if you're going to interrupt, two people are talking and you want to say something to them, so then permiso will be a way of interrupting. Or also, if you want to, somebody's in front of you and you want to go by them, you will also use permiso, excuse me. That's when you're passing by. Okay, so let's review this again. The pronunciation is por favor, gracias, or muchas gracias, de nada, disculpe, permiso. So it's nice and simple. straightforward. You guys know we use this in school all the time, and you guys are really good at it. So I put a couple of cute little videos on the Classroom Google site. Just take a look at the videos. They're kind of fun. And if you have any questions, just where the related arts teachers sheet, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Try writing them there, because sometimes when you write it on the private comments, it takes me a while to see them. Okay, because there's a whole bunch of you. So if I have to go through all of them, it takes me a lot longer than if you put it on the related arts teachers questionnaire there. Okay, so stay safe. I miss you guys. All right, and hope to see you soon. Adios.